Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Well, we're back again with another Temu earphone review video. Now, we've previously did a whole review video on 6 sets of earphones and these ones entered our list. They are the Pro 80 TWS earphones. These feature a slightly bulkier charge case that remains pocket friendly. Disappointingly, this model utilises a dated micro USB charging port. The case does offer a pleasant aesthetic with LED edge illumination during charging, which takes roughly 90 minutes. The display shows a single percentage for the case, while the earbuds use red LED indicators to signal charging status. These particular earphones do offer auto pairing via Bluetooth 5.3, but I did encounter a significant privacy and interference issue because several TWS earbuds in our household share similar hardware IDs. The Pro 80s frequently attempted to pair to my partner's device. Basically, when I interacted with my earbuds, it would inadvertently pause videos on her phone, which raised concerns about connection security. In terms of design, they follow a familiar AirPod silhouette. The fit is adequate, but obviously because of that design, they do lack a proper acoustic seal. The sound signature is bass light, especially noticeable with hip-hop tracks, though those highs are decently well balanced. Unfortunately though, the overall output lacks power, and the 200 milliseconds latency makes watching online content a jarring experience. They are perhaps significant for podcasts, but very much little else. On the upside, we achieved a respectable 4 hours 40 minutes of usage time, but when it comes to microphone quality...
Okie dokie, so this is what it's going to sound like using the Pro 80s, using those microphones when making any type of FaceTime calls or voice calls. The microphone quality is very much muffled, not great whatsoever. And you know what, there's clearly a latency issue when it comes to lip sync too. And again, there's no ENC here, so you can hear all of the background noise. And with that muffled voice pickup, nope, not that great, to be honest.
The touch controls, I've got to say, they are a bit erratic compared to the J889s. They are honestly quite mixed matched. Got one press on either earbud for play, pause, call answering. 2 presses for the volume adjustment, which, by the way, if you press the right earphone, it actually turns the volume down. And you press the left earphone, it turns the volume up. And not only that, we've got a 1-second hold on either earbud to change the track selection, with 3 taps for the voice assist. These touch controls are certainly all over the place and not very memorable. Our score for the Pro 80 earphones, we scored them 3 out of 10, again placing them within that very low budget price category. Now what I've done is I've left a link in the video description down below where you can check this product out for yourself. But do you know what? Have you actually got these earphones? And what do you think of them? Get commenting down below. Or in fact, why not tell us about some unique earphones that you found yourself off the Temu website, and we'll check them out for ourselves, and we might give you a quick shout out. How about that? But give us a shout out by liking this video, subscribing and hitting that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now speaking of uploads, there's 2 videos showing on screen just now. You can click either one of them, but in the meantime, hope to see you guys very soon. Peace.